Hey there, everybody. Ben Engelman here with Friedrich Iowa Realty and the Engelman Team. And for step 7, I want to talk to you about changes, upgrades, and add-ons on top of just when you're going to be walking through your home in most cases. So during the build process, you may see something that you like. You may see something that, hey, I thought I liked this banister, but I need to switch to this banister. Um, and so those would just be change orders. And every builder is different when it comes to change orders, and every builder is different when it comes to when you can do those change orders. So it's really good on the front end to know when your stop points are, because if all of a sudden they've already ordered the banister, they've already ordered the spindles and everything that's going to go on your stairwell going up or down, and they have them in stock at their shop or they're at the house already, and you say you want to change them, there may be a restocking fee. There may be cost to do that. They may not be able to restock them and return them. So you might be paying for 2 sets on top of all the labor it took to go get those new ones, to order them, all those different things. So just be aware of what those change order things are and what the change order process is and where the stopping points are within those items and areas in the house. So that's one thing that we'll talk about on the front end. Next thing is upgrades. So a lot of folks will be like, hey, I want this built-in shelf, or I want cubbies built in the mudroom, things like that. We can talk about that on the front end, put allowances in for that. And so maybe you put $10,000 in for built-ins. And you say, okay, I'm going to do all these different things. Once your house is framed, once you've already done the electrical walkthrough, once you've done all those things, now all of a sudden you can walk through with the trim carpenter and you can get your eyes on what's going to happen. You can talk to them about how it's going to look, what kind of wood it's going to be. Is it going to be stained? Is it going to be painted? All those different things. But on the front end, if we know those things that you're going to probably want to add, framed mirrors is one. That isn't a huge item, but definitely need to know it. Another one is a closet system. Well, we don't want just wire shelving. We want it fully custom built. Great. Let's know that on the front end. We'll put a line item in there for you. Then when we get to that time, we'll go ahead and bid that out. We can get it drawn out, figure those things out with the trim carpenter to get those custom made. So those are some upgrades, add-ons, those types of things. So your trim walkthrough is going to be one of your walkthroughs, and then your electrical walkthrough is another one. Electrical walkthroughs, you can add things like under cabinet lighting. You can add toe kick lighting, motion sensor lighting, different plugins, different places, soffit lights, all those things. We're going to go ahead and walk you through. And knowing more, you might spend a little more, but the way I look at it is, let's shoot for the moon, figure out all the things. If it was best case scenario, this is what we would want to do. We'll get all those things priced out with the electrician. We'll get all those things priced out with the trim carpenter, and then say, okay, do we want to do that or not? And then we just check yes or no. And it's a very simple process. It can actually be very fun to do those things. And when you go to sell your home, all those little things that you did on the front end are going to help sell it in the future. Those are all small things that make your house stand out, that make it feel special, even when someone else walks through it, not just you. So we'll talk about that during the process. And if you have any other questions about add-ons, upgrades, change orders, let me know. Love to talk to you about it. Love to talk to you about the differences in some of the stories I've had with people wanting to move walls, people wanting to change paint colors, things like that. So love to have that conversation with you. But hopefully that helped you, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.